I have always associated Japan with cherry blossoms since I believe they're the most celebrated kind of flower here. Little did I know that with the changing seasons, Japan also has other events to highlight different species of flowers. In this video, let me talk about these balls of fully bloomed hydrangeas. Ajisai, as what they are called here, are said to have originated in Japan. I only knew about this butte when the vice principal at the elementary school I worked at told me that June is the start of Japan's rainy season. Moreover, June is also the time when hydrangeas usually start blooming and last around mid-July. This is the reason why hydrangeas are considered the early summer flowers of Japan. Here are some of the hydrangeas that I made to decorate my English bulletin boards. If you wish to know how I made them, please comment down below so that I can share the video tutorial. And unfortunately, I cannot show you the pictures or the video clips of the English boards because of the school's privacy policy. While I was outdoors looking for hydrangeas, I found this cute creature.